Many things are over now, and I accept.
So this video is it is an experiment to this new year, to new inspirations, and to hopefully end of this crazy times. And yeah, hope you will enjoy that video.
Mein Gott, okay.
It's an invitation to the city. It's an inspiration. It's about love. It's about something stupid.
Ja, sehr schön.
This video is an invitation to the city, to Berlin, and an invitation to you. I hope you'll like and hope you will enjoy this video. And yeah, you're nice too. Nice tits.
Until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. And afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the same old lies you heard the night before. And though it's just a line to you, for me it's true, it never seemed so right before. I practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true. But then I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and all the nights are blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. Time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and all the nights are blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love